I recently received a really fun package from TECKWRAP Craft Vinyl. When I opened it up, I found a cute little package with some fun items in it. Tweezers, a pen, and a vinyl squeegee. They had a lot of fun colors, just including some of their classic colors and their metallic pearlescent colors. I went right into Cricut Design Space and started creating. I chose the font Keep On Trucking. This is a font I imported. And then next I went up and I put a warp effect on it. I chose warp effect number 11. Then I went ahead and changed the color of my font. I wanted to just see what it's going to look like whenever I get all my vinyl laid out. So it's best to just do this on screen. I went ahead and moved on to my next set of words and did the exact same thing. Chose number 11, warp, and the color. Once I got that situated, I moved on to my next word and did the exact same thing. Warp number 11, and then my color. Next, I worked on sizing. You can size these up however you'd like. I wanted to emphasize faith, and it was also smaller, a shorter word, so emphasizing it just made it look better. I adjusted my warp just a little bit. I just continue to adjust the design and the wording. My final decision size-wise was 9.5 by 6.172 once I got them all sized to my liking and grouped together, centered, and straightened. My next step was to move everything to my Cricut mat, and I moved every color to one mat, and I will simply lay my vinyl out according to the sizing and cut it all on one mat rather than 3 mats. You also want to make sure that you are mirroring your image before you start cutting. So these are just a few of the beautiful colors that TECKWRAP sent me, and I'm going to be creating this Faith Can Move Mountains shirt with these colors. Oh, and I didn't realize this, but all the temperatures and Cricut settings, cutter settings, and all that are in here, so I'm going to be more careful whenever I open up the next one. And I am using a 12 by 24 mat, and that's only because it's my newest mat and it has the best grip on it right now. Okay, so these are considered metallics. So I should be 275 for 8 to 10 seconds. That is much quicker than any other vinyl that I use. So, and it is a cool peel. 275 for 8 to 10 seconds. All right, I'm excited to see how this goes. Always be aware of when you're using HTV that you put the shiny side facing down on your adhesive mat. Now that I've got my vinyl all laid down, it's time to send it through my Cricut to cut it. I'm just using the iron-on setting, and whatever pressure it's set to is what I'm using. I didn't mess with that or change it at all. And now it's time to weed it. Okay, so I just had that on time lapse, but it went way too fast, so I'm gonna put it on normal speed to show you. You guys, this is the fastest and easiest weeding vinyl I have ever used. That just peels so incredibly great. That is unbelievable. Very, very impressive. Now I'm just going to trim away some of that clear transfer sheet. I want to be able to lay my pieces close together, and if I don't trim that, then I might accidentally overlap it, or my vinyl would adhere to the transfer sheet next to it. Alrighty, now I'm just grabbing my t-shirt ruler and making sure things are going to get lined up nice and straight. I do love these colors. I think they're going to look super great whenever I get them on this heathered gray shirt. So I'm just measuring, making sure everything's straight. And now it's time to stick it in my heat press. I chose 10 seconds at 275. It says 8 to 10 seconds for 275. I went ahead and went with 10. This is a cool peel, so I'm gonna go ahead and get it off of my heat press pad and move it over to my butcher block countertop area so that it can get nice and cool before I peel it. Once it was cooled off, I started peeling it, and it did feel a little bit tough to peel, I think, but overall it was not a big deal. I do like to stick things back in my heat press for a couple of seconds, so literally 3 seconds, I believe, 4 seconds, and I like to be able to see my fabric come through. So I think it looks so super great. I really like how easy the vinyl was to work with. I think that they have some really great products, and I'm going to really enjoy using them. And I hope this little review, tutorial, unboxing was super helpful for you. If you're interested in ordering some TECKWRAP vinyl, be sure to check out my affiliate link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. While you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you're already a TECKWRAP vinyl user, please let me know your favorite products.